So we have seen how to format using the print statement and format specifier. So if you press enter, this one will be given. So suppose if we want to, if we exchange this, it is exchange. So always this format specifier percentage s, first one will bring the first one, second one will bring the second one. Suppose if you want to bring the second one into the first one, it is not possible using this. So let us discuss. There is one more method called, let me just copy this first. For copying, I will show you the tip. Just place the cursor and press enter. The entire string will get copied into your new line. So for this we can use like flower brackets inside, or instead of this format specifier. And now delete this. There is a function called dot format, and inside that we can give the values like from n comma a. Now if you press enter, so this is same as this, but we can change. So this is a list, and this is starts with 0, this is 1. So what we can do, place the cursor, press enter, and now here we can give 1. 1 means it will bring the data from a, and if you give 0, it will bring the data from n. See here. Or you can also, you can do a lot more things using this dot format function. If you want both from the first one, so the name is Peter, age is Peter, like this you can do. You can also, let me, if you delete it, it will bring from the first one will first, second one will bring from the second. And now you can also specify the number of spaces like colon and let us say 4, and here colon 5. If you press enter, see here there is a space. The same thing, we have a lot more options. We can give like, let us say 1:5, 5:5. So there is a error, we can't do it. I will start from the starting. So we have seen how to format using the print. There is one more function called dot format, which has more advantages than using these format specifiers percentage s or percentage symbol. So suppose this will output like this. Suppose we want this format specifier to collect the data from the second one and this one from the first one. It is not possible using this. So for that there is a function called dot format, and you can do more things in dot format function. So for just copying the whole sentence, just place the cursor and press enter. The whole thing will get copied. This is a small tip. And for this you can use the flower brackets instead of format specifiers and flower brackets. And here you should write dot format. See, the result is same, but this is like a list. So the index start with 0. 0 is n, a is 1. So we can also change from where, so we will be getting this from the second one 0 1, and this from the 0. Now let us see the name, the age is 25 and the age is Peter. So this one is getting data from here and this one is getting data from here. So you can do a lot more things, like if there is a, like, let us copy this one more, remove this, we can give the number of spaces like percentage, let us say 4. So this is integer value. See here, it is giving 4 more spaces before printing it. You can do it like this, or let us say, let us give a write an example like for I in range 1 comma 11, we will be printing the what is the I value and square of the I value using this one, and cube of the I value. So let us see what the result is. See here, it is giving the result, but the format is not right. So for that, what we can do, we just first copy, paste it here, and here you can give the formats. Let's use the flower brackets 1 2 3 and give the spaces here, like let us give 2 here, let us give 3 here, and let us give 4 here. Now see the result. So we should have to write dot format. Copy this. Copying means just select whatever one line, means place the cursor. If you want more than one line, select all of them and press enter. It will copy. And now after that, we should have to write dot format is the function. Close the bracket and close the bracket. Now see, it is little bit well structured. So this is how we can use the dot format function also for the formatting the strings. Hope you understood. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.